We're looking at a 2005 BMW X5 that a customer purchased, not running, hoping that it was going to be some type of a simple solution. They've had it to several repair shops. They've gotten multiple very expensive estimates on what it's going to take to get the vehicle repaired. The purpose of today's video is to talk about why we strongly recommend getting a vehicle inspected before you purchase it, especially a used vehicle. And realistically, if you're buying a vehicle that doesn't run, that's incredibly important to make sure you get a proper estimate to see what it's going to take to get the vehicle back in running shape. The amount of money that's going to take to get this vehicle back in the correct running order is astronomical, and it's more than the value of the vehicle. And the customer, after talking to them, they now realize that the purchase maybe wasn't the best decision, and that's not what we're here for, is to judge what decisions you make. We're here to help you make the best decision you can when purchasing a used vehicle. And it's really important to make sure you get an estimate or an inspection, more importantly, of the vehicle, so you know what you might be looking at as far as in the future repairs. Have the tires inspected, brakes, belts, hoses. A lot of those maintenance items that can add up to quite a bit of money if they were to fail all at the same time. At 3D Auto Repair, we do offer free vehicle inspection if you're looking to purchase a vehicle. It's our job to make sure that you're getting all the information that you need to make the best decision on your next purchase. Please give us a call, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please share this video so we can share this information with everybody.